I'm going to go over how to fill out a Los Rios Community College District Travel Authorization for student travel outside the classroom. So to begin, we are going to select the campus the club is affiliated with. As the form states, this is where the payment will be sent and processed. As you can see here, I have selected SCC. Next, type in your name and WID number. Afterwards, type in the conference sponsor and the conference/activity found here and here. The conference sponsor will be which organization is hosting the event. For the destination, include the address. In the case that the event is being held online, make sure to include which platform. Next, include the budget string in which this event is being funded. Part 1 by inputting the dates in which the club will be attending the event or conference. Afterwards will be the estimated expenses part. The expenses mentioned below should include the expenses of all those who plan to attend the event or conference. Starting with transportation, select the mode of travel. If you plan to fly, include the airline you are flying with under travel agency or airfare. In the case you are driving, select whether you are using a district vehicle or your own. In the case you are using your own vehicle, include the estimated number of miles from the college campus to the event venue and the current mileage formula found on the district website. For lodging, include the name of the hotel or motel with the number of days and rate to include the total amount for lodging. Now, for registration, if prepayment is required, meaning that you cannot attend the conference unless it is paid for already, and you want it to be prepaid by the college, be sure to attach the registration fee document or conference notice for payment processing. Make sure to state whether the conference or registration fee includes meals or excludes meals. Now for the next part, meals, there is a formula on the maximum amount that can be spent and reimbursed for each person per meal. That formula for allowance can be found on the second page as well, under estimated expenses. Once total estimated expenses are applied to the total, as you can see here, we just had the conference fees. Sign your name. This document will then be given to the Student Leadership and Development Office to process through our department. On the third page, you'll see an example of a travel justification memo, which should be addressed to the Dean of Engagement and Completion, which houses our Department of Student Leadership and Development. Make sure to include who is attending on the justification, as well as a brief event description, and sign below. We've just completed a travel authorization for student travel outside the classroom.